How to use Suncorp Home Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Suncorp Home Insurance is widely used across Australia, but many homeowners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or paying more than necessary. The surprising truth is that just having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction costs mean standard coverage may not fully replace your home or belongings. Always check that your policy matches your home's current rebuilding and replacement value. Overlooking liability protection is another trap. Suncorp policies include personal liability coverage, but lowering limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage someone else's home. Failing to update your policy is another costly mistake. Renovations, moving, or buying new valuable items change your coverage needs. Not informing Suncorp could result in delayed or denied claims. Many people also miss discounts. Suncorp provides savings for bundling home and car insurance, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages thoroughly, report incidents promptly, and maintain clear communication with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Suncorp Home Insurance Australia. Ensure your coverage reflects your home's value, maintain adequate liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and protects your home and peace of mind.